So two concerns about the bike, two concerns with the 2025. Number one, my fuel pump is just on all the time. Can you guys hear that? It's just on all the time. It drives me nuts. As ignition is on, for the ignition is on for 15 minutes, the fuel pump is 15 minutes. And I was kind of disappointed that this is happening because my buddy that has a 2022 T7, he turned his ignition on, his pump goes for 5 seconds and shuts off. I just go on and on and on and on. So it's not good. It's gonna have to bring to the dealership here. So that sucks. And I'm trying to wait for my exhaust to come in. Don't want to bring to the dealership with that, but I'm probably just gonna put the stock exhaust to bring over there. And then another thing today that drove me nuts. So we're on this ride, full tank to start with, and then the bike start showing me that I have like I need fuel after riding for 130 miles. I only have one bar, like 140 miles maybe, one bar, blinking and start to count up on fuel, like fuel R or fuel F. I can't remember what does the display shows on fuel. Oh, come on. There you go. So when the fuel trip F, there we go. That's trip fuel. So there you go, it's still there. So I rode 11 miles on a trip fuel, right? So I'm like kind of really nervous and disappointed that 150 miles only, not even 140 miles, and I'm already on the trip fuel. It counts up, not counts down. So it tells you how many miles you're doing with the bike on reserve, but you have no idea when the bike's gonna run out of fuel. So stop the gas station, fill it up, and then to my surprise and disappointment, I could only fit in 2 gallons, 2.6 gallons. So if this is 3 gallons tank, I never know how many. But basically, as you have 1 gallon and some on the bike, basically as you have probably 80 miles on the bike, 70